Hello everyone. So today I am just going to share one of the topic which is very common and very popular among higher education as one of the favorite subjects when we talk about sports physiology, human anatomy, human physiology. So as we all know that the human body is going to work with the help of the muscles. The force is going to be generated with the help of the muscles. So today we are going to talk a little about the muscular system. So let's start with the basics and the concept to make it much more clear for the further studies. So whenever we talk about the muscular system or the human body, we are eager to know that how the muscle is going to act, how the force is generated, and how the different types of works and activities are being done. For that purpose, we need to know that there are three main types of muscles which are found in our body, and they are said to be number one, skeletal muscle, which are also known as sometimes voluntary muscles, because they are in control of the human body. The muscles which are all over there, the muscle and bones, and which works as per our consciousness. Apart from that, those muscles which are present in your heart are said to be the cardiac muscles, and the third one is said to be the smooth muscles or involuntary muscles, which are found in the internal or visceral organs which are not in our control. Now on the screen you can see that there are some data are given which are showing the percentage of all of the three muscles in your body and how much they are in form of skeletal muscle, smooth muscle or. Now you can see on the screen that the structure of muscle fiber has been explained, that how and what are the elements which are going to just make the muscle fiber. So there are three important elements or the components of the muscle fiber. First one is called the sarcolemma, which is also said to be the plasma membrane, and this is much more crucial for transmitting the action potential when we talk about the contraction. Apart from that, the myofibrils are also present in the muscle fiber, which are more contractile in nature, and within the muscle fibers they are present. These myofibrils are more responsible for the muscle contraction and generation of force. Now you can see that the third component of muscle fiber is said to be sarcomere, and these are the basic functional units of myofibrils. These sarcomeres are the compound of actin and myosin filaments and facilitate contraction. Now, to understand this muscular contraction, you need to know about the mechanism of sliding filament theory. So, this is basic theory of showing how the contraction is going to be done. And this particular theory was given by Hensen and Huxley in 1954. So, as you see that there are two main filaments of protein which are working in your body when we talk about the contraction. One is said to be myosin and another is actin. One is a thick filament, another is a thin filament. During contraction, what happens? This myosin is going to slide over the thin actin filament and they are just going to pull towards the center of the sarcomere. This is going to shorten the length of the muscle, and in this way the contraction is going to take place. For this purpose, ATP is going to provide the energy. Now see on the screen, there are some of the very important functions of muscles which are being shared. So the primary function of muscle is to produce movement, and apart from that, the muscle is going to be very important when we talk about posture and stabilization. Whenever we talk about the body posture and its stabilization, muscles are important. And these muscles are important when we talk about heat generation in the body regarding different temperatures. Understanding the role and function of muscles, it is also important to know about the major muscle groups. Broadly, they are in three different categories said to be upper body, the core body, and the lower body. You can see the major discoveries related to the muscle physiology and in the human physiology, which are said to be the discovery of muscles, the introduction of sliding filament theory, and the identification of major muscle groups when they were being done or discovered. Now again, it is important to understand that why the muscular system is essential for force generation, movement, and the overall physical performance during any type of activity or exercise and for the daily life activities. Here there are three main tasks or the functions are being highlighted for your reference. Number one, the force generation. Number two, fatigue and recovery is one of the major purpose and the function of muscular system, and adaptations to the training. So these are the three important. So talking about these muscular system, the function, the purpose, the goal, the physiology, the theory, we need to understand their role in the field of sports. Again, I am just going to describe about three of the important roles of knowledge of this muscular system in sports and activities. Number one, this muscular system is always going to improve the overall performance of an individual. Whatever training is given as per their individuality, strength and capacity, it will be possible. Number two, this knowledge is going to reduce the number of injuries which are being seen on and off ground. And number three, it is important during rehabilitation of an individual.